Hello, my dear YouTube family. Welcome to Must Watch Tips. My name is Parth, and today I'm going to show how to make this beautiful animation just by using Microsoft PowerPoint. It seems very hard, but we can do it in just few steps. So, without any further talks, let's get into this video and start making this beautiful animation. So, here we are in the fresh new presentation, and let me delete this. So, first of all, let us change the background. So, let us right click and go to Format Background, and in solid field let us choose a black. Now let us insert a text box, so we'll go to insert and text box, and here we will write wonder. Since it is black color, let us change it to white. Let me increase its size, and let us choose a fancy font, like for example this one, Big Oak V15. And let me tell you, this is the custom font which I have installed. If you also want to install custom fonts in your presentation, then I'll provide a link in the description where you can watch a video how to install custom font in your system. So now let us work on this text box. So we are ready with this, and now let us duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, and in the second one let us go to shape format and let us choose no fill with white border, and you can choose the thickness according to your preference. Let me choose this one. This looks fine. Now we need to duplicate this, but before that we go to selection pane, and this text box, let us call it first text box, and this one let us call it second text box. First will be on the top, so we'll arrange it on the top most. Now we need to duplicate this second text box 4 to 5 number of times, so I'll press Ctrl D. So I've made many of this. Let me bring this first one to top, and second let us rename these text boxes one after the other. And now we are ready with 8 text boxes. And one more thing, if you don't have a selection pane right over here in a quick access toolbar, then you can go to file, go to options, and here we have an option of quick access toolbar. Go to all commands, and in all commands let us go to D for display selection pane, and here it is, display selection pane, and we will add this. As I've already added in the quick access toolbar, it is giving me this pop-up, and you can see that it is here in the quick access toolbar, and you can press OK, and after that it will be shown over here in your quick access toolbar. Now let us arrange all of this uh, in center and in the middle so that all of these are arranged. Now let us move these all behind this text box filled with white color, like this. And now let us select all of this, go to animation, and let us add a circle animation which will be there in the motion paths. Here we have the circle, so it will be like this. You can change the path of this animation, like for example this, you can make a circle. How it will look, you can click on this preview and see it will look like this. So after adding the animation, let us play with the duration and delay. So for the first one, it will be same as by default. For the second one, let us add a delay of, let's say, 0.03 seconds. For the third one, let us add a delay of 6 seconds. For the fourth one, let us add a delay of 0.09 seconds, and similarly we will add a delay of 0.12 seconds for this one, 0.15, 0.18 and 0.21. Now let us see how it looks. And here you go. So now you can see it is working, but the animation is working only once. But what we want is that the animation should work until we press escape button. So let us go to animation pane. Let us close this and go to animation pane. Let me select all, right click and go to effect options. And here let us select auto reverse button, and in the timing let us select until the end of the slide and press OK. So now it will keep on animating until we press escape while we are in the slideshow. So let me go to slideshow, and you can see now that it is working until we press escape button. So congratulations my friends, we have made it till now. So I hope you like this video and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to visit our channel for more such videos. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.